In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your T-Mobile phone. I don't mean unlocking it with your face or unlocking it with your code. I mean unlocking it from the T-Mobile network. Well, whenever you buy a phone straight from a carrier, whether it be T-Mobile, Verizon, AT&T, or Sprint, it comes locked to their network and you have to unlock it if you want to use it elsewhere. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you in a few simple steps how to do that. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe and turn on those notifications because I come out with new videos every Wednesday and Friday all about cell phones, cell phone plans, the internet, and more, and I'd love for you to join along. Now, today we're talking about unlocking your T-Mobile phone, and why does that even matter? What can you even do with an unlocked phone that you can't with a locked phone? Well, when your phone is unlocked, you can take it to a new carrier. And that might be important to you if you want to change carriers, if you want a new plan, or you're looking for better coverage than your current carrier. Then that is one reason why you'd want to unlock your phone. Another reason is because if you take your phone with you to a new carrier, there are some really good bring your own device deals, and I'm linking to those in the description below. Oftentimes when people switch carriers, they think that's a great time to buy a new phone. And while that may be the case, if you're looking to save a few bucks right now, bringing your own phone will save you a lot of money. Now, if you're not sure if your phone can switch carriers and work on another network, here is a good rule of thumb. Newer phones can generally be taken to any carrier, and older phones, if it's older than 5 years. Sprint phones work just fine on the Verizon network most of the time and vice versa, and AT&T phones work just fine on the T-Mobile network and vice versa most of the time. Now, if you know the carrier you want to switch to, you can check out your phone's compatibility on that carrier's site. You can just type in your IMEI or MEID number and you'll be able to find out if your phone is compatible with your preferred network that you want to switch to. Now, one last reason why you might want to unlock your phone is so that you can sell it. Now, technically you can sell a locked phone, but that's a real crappy move and I don't highly recommend it. It's so much easier for the person you sell it to if it's unlocked before then, because generally people who buy a phone from a third party can't unlock it with their carrier unless they are the person who bought it. So that's one last reason why you might want to unlock your phone. Now let's jump in and learn how to actually unlock the device. First, you have to meet a few requirements before T-Mobile will unlock your phone. First and foremost, your phone must be from T-Mobile. Second, your phone can't be reported lost or stolen, so if you're a robber watching this, sorry, it won't work for you. And 3, your account must be in good standing with T-Mobile, meaning all your bills are paid, and you can't have requested more than 2 device unlocks on your line in the last year, meaning you can't unlock your smartphone, your tablet, and your phone in the same 12-month period. Now, for postpaid accounts, your device must be active for at least 40 days on your line, and your device must be fully paid off. Now, for prepaid accounts, your device must be active on your T-Mobile account for at least 1 year, or your prepaid account must have more than $100 in refills since you first activated it. Now, if you are in the military, there are a few exceptions for unlocking your phone. You can have it unlocked anytime if your account is in good standing and you show proof of deployment with your deployment papers. Now, once you meet these requirements, you can request an unlock code. Now, you can request an unlock code a few different ways. If you have an Android phone, you may be able to access the T-Mobile Device Unlock app. Now, this is not an app you can download. It is pre-installed on some supported smartphones. So you can look for it in the My Apps and Games and then go to Installed. And once you're in the app, you can scroll down to How-Tos and tap Security. Then you can tap T-Mobile Device Unlock and follow the instructions on the screen. Now, if that doesn't work, you can call customer support. Now, if you have an iPhone, you cannot use that app because there just isn't one for iPhones. You need to call T-Mobile customer service for their help. And when you call, you should have a few pieces of information handy. You need the account number associated with the phone you want to unlock. You need the account password or last 4 digits of your social security number. And you need the IMEI or MEID number of your device. Now you can find that on the back of your phone inside the settings, or you can dial *#06#. That number will be 14 to 15 numbers long. You're also gonna need your phone number, And if you're in the military, you're gonna need your deployment papers for that phone call. Now, it may take 24 to 48 hours to be fully unlocked. But once it is unlocked, you can take your phone anywhere, most likely, and do whatever you want with it. Now, if you have any more questions, let me know in the comments below. I'm Sherry Riggs with Whistle Out TV.